Hello everybody, welcome to the Andrews Boys Outdoors.
Okay, so today we're going to be building a box for the back of our snowmobile. We got to start with the bracket. So it's pretty simple. All I'm building is an aluminum frame using these link brackets, and they just attach to your base like so and snap into place. Okay, so all I'm really using here is a drill. We got these 2 sticks of aluminum, these angles of aluminum, measuring tape, your links brackets, and I'm just going to bolt the frame together. Mark it 1 inch. Feel like Gerald Smeltzer. It's a 1 inch mark. And then we'll do another one at 24. Another one an inch off at the end. That's 47. There. Okay, so next we're going to put on our brackets and measure for our holes. Here's my 1 inch overhang. There. Drill straight up and down.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That's good. And you want to do the other one here? Yeah. Okay. Nope. Push. Yep. Nope. Pull the drill. Pull the drill. There you go. There you go. There's 2 holes. Now these 2. Yep. Okay, so all I'm doing here is I'm just mounting the brackets to the link attachment system, just with some screws. Try not to lose this in the snow. This hole might be slightly off here. Let's see if we can get that straightened. There it is. There we go. There you go. So you want to crank those on? Sure. Yeah, there we go. That's good. For the next one. Take. sure we're not spinning on the back side. We are a little bit. Alrighty. So that should attach like so.
Put those on and then we push.
Yep, that locked.
Ethan.
There, that's a nice sturdy attachment.
We're going to put on the brackets. There we go. Now we're going to make our measurements. Then we gotta pop that open. And that one open. There we go.
There you go. All right, on to the next one. Oh, you're not on the bowl. There you go. Yep, that's good. Yep. There. All right. That's on there solid. See if it attaches.
Now we have our brackets. We're going to cut our spacers.
$15.25.
Safety first.
Now we're just going to drill our pilot holes and put our cross bracing in.
Now we're just marking our holes.
All right, so I'm just going to take off the frame. It's now built, tighten it up a bit, and then go build the box. Okay, so here's the frame for the box. I tried to make it as light as possible. So what I've done is I've taken some 2x4 scrap that I had laying around. I ripped the 2x4 in half, made the top, made the bottom, and then I just took chunks of 2x4 for the sides. I also cut some angle here just to add more rigidity to it. So I think that's good enough. It's good and strong, so it should work out quite well. So it's the end of March now. Snow's gone. I'm still continuing on this box. It's pretty big, so what I'm going to do now is lop 6 inches off the top of it here and lighten it up a bit. Just a little bit too heavy for what I want to see. It's difficult to get on, harder to handle to take on and off the sled. So we take 6 inches off there, we should be good. Okay, so we got 6 inches off the top of the box. So now we're going to fit our lid on and our auger mounts on the lid. So it should fit right inside that lid. Like that.
It doesn't fit.
Oh, well, it will. I'm going to have to put a couple more screws.
That big. Could do that.
But we're going to have to get the sides put in. So everything's started. You want to do one?
Yeah.
There. Oh, that's okay. Okay, so the box is almost complete. All we have to do is paint it black now and maybe put some Skidoo stickers and maybe some Kimpex stickers on it to make it look nice, eh guys?
Yeah.
So the boys are going to paint it black in the next step, but I'll just give you a rundown of what I've done so far. I put the lid on. I decided to use this clasp here to hold it in a block. So what we'll do is I'll just put a handle on top of that block to lift from. Just 2 simple hinges at the back. Here and here. I put them 8 inches off the end. And I put the auger mounts on. So I use these Kimpex auger mounts. And they just go on like so. So take these off and I'll show you the inside of the box. Oh, I should say too that these are the extra large Kimpex holders, so they're adjustable. So I opened this one up a lot further for my auger blade, and I use this one for the head of the motor there to hold it tighter. Open it up. That's what it looks like on the inside. Now I'm going to have a spot for my my minnows, so my minnow bucket. I'm going to section off a spot for that, but that'll be done in the next video clip. Oh, and this is where the auger mounts go through. They just bolt on the back side of that. I did put a board on the top of the lid just to stiffen it up some. And that's about it. But once again, I could take it off. Do you want to show them how easy it is to take off, kids?
Yeah.
All right, unlatch it. Bottom. You do that other side, Lawson. Let Ben do that side. There's just 2 on each side. You got it? There, we're unlatched. Pick it up, and it's off. It's a little bit tricky to get set up, but not too bad. We'll, you guys lift it up, and we'll aim it and put it right in the link system. There, yours is in, and yours is in. And just close it. We're ready to go again. That one might have to come down a little bit.
Yep. And Yep.
Do the honors. Last sticker, put it up a little bit higher. Yeah. Perfect.
Just like a newborn beauty.
A newborn beauty. All right, so we're okay. So we got all our stickers on. The box is painted and finished. Looks not too bad. So all in all, paint brushes and rollers were about $50. It was about $100 for the bracket and the attachment system. So I'd be about $150, $200 to build something like this. I got a couple clasps and obviously the hinges for it. It's a lot better than the $800 $800 box that Skidoo sells, and it's you can personalize it, and it's quite a bit bigger than what Skidoo sells as well. Anyways, that's the end of the video.
Peace.
Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe.